Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva images high resolution. To begin, always start your design with a generous canvas size, perhaps 3000 by 2000 pixels, to give your image ample room for detail. Ensure all elements you import are already high quality. Stretching smaller images will inevitably lead to pixelation, so choose your source files wisely from the start. This foundational step is crucial for achieving crisp, clear results. When designing, prioritize vector graphics and Canva's native elements. These scale beautifully without losing quality, unlike raster images which can become blurry when enlarged. Try to minimize your reliance on external raster images. Also, pay attention to your typography. Choose clear, legible fonts and avoid extremely thin lines that might disappear or pixelate upon export. These choices significantly impact the final sharpness of your design. For the best resolution, always export your Canva design as a PNG file. This format preserves image quality and supports transparency, making it ideal for most uses. When downloading, select the highest available size or resolution option to ensure maximum detail. If your design is for print, the Print PDF option is excellent, as it maintains vector quality and color accuracy, providing a professional finish. To truly maximize your image resolution, consider a Canva Pro subscription, which often provides enhanced download capabilities. Before finalizing, always zoom into 100% on your design to catch any potential pixelation or blurriness. If you have existing low-resolution images, external upscaling tools can sometimes improve their quality, though starting with high-res assets is always best. These steps ensure your Canva images look their absolute best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.